faces, trying to find the words to say this. I am tired of stages telling me that I'll be better when I'm not. I'm here, I know we used to have it all. No, I'm not, I'm here, wish I could have broke this fall. I need you now. I don't care how. I would do anything. I need to talk to you somehow. I need you now. Empty faces, people don't know what to say to me. They're honest answers, but they can't feel the crushing weight of I don't know. I know I'm here and I can't change the past.